All right, let me guess. You guys want to start investing in the stock market or you want to start trading? I promise you by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of which strategy is best for you. All right, so let's think about a stock. A stock is buying a piece of a company. A piece of that company is a share. You're buying a share of that company. So you own part of that company. And when you kind of just think about investing in the stock market, it's more of a long-term mindset. Um, you kind of just you don't want to be that involved in the market. You don't really want to be reading the charts that much. You kind of just want to trust the process. You just want to leave your money there. You want your money to grow over time, and you don't have to stress yourself out constantly looking at it, constantly worrying about it. You can just let it do its thing and grow your money over time. Okay. But when you think about trading, it's more of like, okay, I want my money, I want my cash now. It's more of a fast moving thing. It's something that you have to be on top of. It's something that you have to be constantly studying. You have to be educating yourself. It's something that you have to spend time doing. So, so just something just to think about. Also, think about this. Think about a seed. You planting a seed. When you plant a seed, you have to water it each day or a week. I don't know. I'm not a gardener. But you plant the seed and and it grows whatever, your vegetable or your tree. It takes time. But think of trading as in like, okay, I'm just going to the store and I'm buying the already fully grown plant. I'm getting my fully grown plant that would have took time if I would have just planted the seed myself. I'm just buying it. Think that's like trading. So it's quick, it's fast moving, it's engaging, it's something that you have to be on top of. So, um, so yeah, which one is better for you? Are you someone who wants to just have your kind of companies, your company that you look into? You can invest into your ETFs. You can invest into your index funds. Like your Nasdaq or your S&P 500s. You can invest in your Amazons, your Nvidias, blah 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 blah. Those are like a lot of like the big companies. Or you can trade them. I mean, you can trade those companies like I trade the Nasdaq. You can trade that and make your money daily, I mean weekly, however you want to do it. So yeah, basically guys, it ultimately depends on you. Like how's your risk tolerance? How do you want to manage your money? And do you really think you can trade? And do you really think you can be long term and let your money sit there and not make profits right away? So also with trading, you're not guaranteed making profits right away. I mean, maybe you just got it like that and you're just successful soon off the bat. I mean, cool. That's the perfect scenario, but a lot of the times that it takes time. So it's going to take time for you to like read the charts, study the charts, understand the charts, and things like that. So it's going to be a give or take. But personally, in my opinion, for beginners, I think it's important to understand the basics. So I think it's important for you to actually like, okay, let me understand what a stock is. Let me understand what a ETF is. Let me understand what a dividend yield is, because you can get a payout monthly, annually, every whatever from a company just from investing in it. So that's something for you guys to look into. Like it's so many different ways to invest, and that's the best thing about investing. Like there's so many different outlets. Like you don't have to just pick one and choose one. You can do everything. Um some of you might want to know, like for me, I'm a long-term investor. I do have like some cryptos and things like that that I dibble dabble with that I like, and I'm a day trader as well. I like the fact that I can make money quick. I like the fact that I know I can make an income off of this, but I also know I can have a stable long-term money that can just constantly be generating wealth. I might not even have to ever touch that. That can just sit there and grow. Then my kids can have it just in case. Then they can have it, whatever, if the market's still around by then. But yeah, like that money can just get passed down and keep going. So just think about that. Do you want to be the gardener? Do you want to be the gardener? Do you want to be the person that plants the seed and wait and be long term? Or do you just want to go to the store and pay $1.99 for cacti? I don't know, you paying 68, 69.99 for cacti. I don't know. But yeah, for some fungi, for some mushrooms. I don't know, for tomatoes. Alright, my fault, y'all. But yeah, so yeah, I really didn't want to get too deep into it. I wish my Robinhood would connect on here on my computer, but it will not connect for some reason. I'll see what I can do. I wish I can like show you guys like, okay, this is what it would look like on like a Robinhood account. If you don't know what a Robinhood account is, a Robinhood is just a broker that I use to buy a stock from. You can also trade on there, but it's called option trading. I don't want to get too deep into all of that. But yeah, I hope this makes sense to you guys. I hope like you kind of have a better idea. Like, okay, like maybe I do want to be long term. Maybe I do want to be short term. Again, like I was saying, with just learning the basics and being a beginner, um, understand the basics of what's going on. Um, be the gardener. Be the gardener for a while. Matter of fact, be the seed. Don't be nothing. Just sit there. Just soak in nutrients. Soak in education. I don't know. Like just really learn and understand what you're getting yourself into. Excuse me. Learn all the outlets that you have. But if you're someone who likes to thrive and you thrive in fast action, maybe trading is for you after you learn the basics. So remember that if you're trading or just investing, education is your best friend. So please just educate yourself, do your own research. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, stay tuned.